Good morning, all. The last class we discussed about the living legend, the Sachin Tendulkar. Good morning, all. The previous class we discussed about the Sachin Tendulkar and his effort, and the first attempt to join to the camp under the supervision of the Ramakant Achrekar sir. Okay, today we are let's look the next paragraph. Okay, listen. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 a.m. and 10:30 a.m. in the morning. You know, the camp at Shivaji Park conducted the two sessions, the morning session and the evening session. The Sachin Tendulkar remember that he did his practice at the Shivaji Park in the morning session. It was 7:30 and 30 to 10:30 a.m. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. You know, after the first session, he just back to his home and came back afternoon and he started his practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. So you remember that, you know, the timing, the schedule, the timetable or the schedule of the camp at the Shivaji Park is very strict. The Achrekar sir is a very strict and is a very good person, and he remembered that Sachin Tendulkar remembered that then by continuous practice he would be tired at the end of that day. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandara, and I had to catch an early morning bus to make it on time. You know, the distance between the Sachin's house in Bandara and the Shivaji Park, the camp at the Shivaji Park is 40 minutes. So, to reach in the park in time is the correct time, then he would catch the early morning bus. Next. For the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to routine. Then, you know, for the first time, then first few days, his brother Ajit accompanied him to clear the route. Then, you know, do you go anywhere without any former experience? No, we can't go anywhere while you were child, as a very little child. Then we can't go anywhere without any previous experience. Okay, so to clear the route to the Shivaji Park, the Sachin Tendulkar's brother Ajit just went with him to the Shivaji Park. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting, and I always enjoyed this conversation a lot. Then, when they go to the Shivaji Park, Sachin Tendulkar and his brother Ajit were talking about the fine details. Nuances means the fine details about the cricket. Then the Ajit talked to the Sachin Tendulkar how to bat, the various method of batting. So Sachin Tendulkar remembered that he always enjoyed very much this conversation between Sachin want to know such a type of conversation as such a type of tips. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is not that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual. You know, all the thoughts and directions that given by the Ajit, the brother of Sachin Tendulkar, is very special to Sachin. And Sachin Tendulkar remembered that all these thoughts he just kept throughout his career, and all these thoughts and notes and directions worked as a personal coaching. Next. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as I returned from the morning session. You know, here Sachin Tendulkar remember the financial crisis of his family and the childhood. Then he had only one set of cricket clothes. Then every day he washed his clothes when he returned from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. Then, when he returned from the morning session, he just washed his clothes. Then, by having his lunch, the clothes would dry out on the sun, and he wear to practice his cricket in the evening session. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes in the following morning. Then when he returned from the evening session, again Sachin Tendulkar just washed his clothes and he used the same clothes in the next day morning. The system worked well apart from my pocket. There was never quite enough time for the pocket to dry out completely. And for the ended duration of the camp, I plied with wet pocket. Actually, there is no much time to dry out his pocket. Then because there is no much time. And Sachin Tendulkar remembered that throughout his entire ended duration of the camp, he plied with a wet pocket. By the middle of the summer camp, sir had started taking an active interest in my batting, and at the end of the 2 months informed Ajit that I had a potential to be a good cricketer if I had practiced all year round. Then, at the middle of the summer camp, the camp at the Shivaji Park is continued. At the middle of the summer camp, the Ajit Ramakanda Achrekar sir, the coach, took a very active, very intensive interest in the batting of the Sachin Tendulkar, and he find out the talent. And he just informed the talent Ajit, and he just informed that if Sachin want to follow the cricket very seriously, he would practice all year round. However, my school, the New English School in Bhandara, did not have cricket facilities, and so was keen for me to change school if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously. So at that time, Sachin Tendulkar, he did not change his school from the New English School in Bhandara. So Achrekar sir just taken an interest to change his school into the Sharadashram Vidya Mandir at Vidya Mandir. So he just told his Ajit, his brother, that if Sachin want to follow the cricket very seriously, it is better to change his school into Sharadashram. One evening, Sir called my father and put forward his suggestion. Then one day, the evening time, the Ajit sir just called over the phone and he just informed his father his suggestion. Ajit was in the room with my father at the time, and they both accepted that it was necessary. Then at that time, Ajit, the brother of the Sachin Tendulkar, was near the father, and both the Ajit and the father of Sachin Tendulkar took a decision. If the cricket, they accepted it, this is very necessary. If the cricket was to be my priority, then they just decided that if Sachin give the more priority to the cricket, it is better to change his school. My father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to my changing school, I should do so only if I were really serious about playing cricket. So at that time, Sachin Tendulkar's father just sat near the Sachin Tendulkar and said that his father has no objection, has no problem to changing his school into Sharadashram Vidya Mandir. So he want only because only Sachin Tendulkar want to give a more priority into the cricket. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where Achrekar sir was the cricket coach. Then finally, Sachin Tendulkar just gave a promise and assure to his father that he would give the more priority to the cricket practice and cricket. Then finally it was agreed. Father agreed to change his school into Sharadashram Vidya Mandir. All my excess energies were getting challenged into cricket. The which acted as a kind of safety valve. Sachin Tendulkar, remember that he just used all his extra powers and extra energies to get in, to open the way to the cricket. And it worked as a safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the result. And every time his father just said that, then he want to take an effort, then there is no worry, then don't be bothered about the result. 90% of the parents or fathers, they want the effort from their children. If there is a effort, there will be a good mind. If there is a good mind, there will be a good students. That's the main thing behind it. The next paragraph, listen. In my first year at Sharadashram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer, a break of 60 days. Then the first time of the Sharadashram, he played 65 practice matches. My summer session used to start at 7:30 a.m. and end at 4:30 p.m. So, entirely different from the first session of the park at the Shivaji Park. The summer session is conducted in the early morning, 7:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. And my evening session would start at 5. Then only give me only 30 minutes break. The evening session started at 5 p.m. It means only 30 minutes break between that. Then during the break, sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav at the popular Mumbai fast food. The time of the break, then Ramakanda Achareka sir just give some cash to have the vada pav. Vada pav is a very special food and famous food in that time, fast food at that time at the Mumbai. Okay, let's wind up the class here. So today we discussed the camp at the Shivaji Park and the timing and the influence of the Ajit, his brother, and he kept all the thoughts throughout his career. Then next we discussed about the financial crisis of the Sachin Tendulkar's family and washing of the cricket clothes. Then next we discussed the changing of the school, and finally his father agreed to change his school into Sharadashram Vidya Mandir, where the Achareka sir was the coach. And the last paragraph we just discussed the practice that conducted in Sharadashram Vidya Mandir under the supervision of the Achareka sir. Okay, it's very simple. So you have to read the paragraph very clearly. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me. So the last class we discussed the fourth question. Then next listen. Why did Sachin feel that the schedule of the camp was rigorous? Then why did the Sachin Tendulkar feel or think that the camp at Shivaji Park very strict? The next one. What served Sachin as a very personal coaching manual? Then we just discussed that something acted very personal coaching manual. Then what's that? Then seventh question. The system worked well apart from my pocket. What is the system referred to here by Sachin? So we just discussed about the washing the system. So Sachin just selected the way of washing, then just write that. The next question, why was Sachin asked to change his school? What is the reason of the changing his school into Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir? The ninth question, what was the condition laid down by the Sachin's father for changing his school? So his father, by changing, at the time of the discussion, the changing the Vidya Mandir, Sharada Ashram Vidya Mandir, his father put a condition. What was the condition laid by his father? The 10th question, what is Sachin considered as a kind of safety valve? Then the last first paragraph, we just discussed something just acted as a safety valve. What was that? Okay, anyway, then let's wind up the class here. Thank you. Let's meet on another episode. Okay, thank you.